Realme has just released its latest flagship smartphone that is predicted to be used for underwater shooting. In addition to the camera, the chipset is also said to have capable performance with its elite version. That's why here is a complete explanation of the complete specifications of the Realme GT7 Pro and its price that you must know. The design of this flagship smartphone looks fresh and sleeker. The rear camera uses a large square module that contains 3 lenses, different from the 2 vertical circles design on the previous GT6 series. This innovation brings a more modern and sturdy feel, while still maintaining a sense of elegance with thinner edges. Despite being thinner, the device is still able to pack a large-capacity battery, providing users with excellent endurance. The Realme GT7 Pro's display uses a 6.78-inch Eco 2 OLED panel developed by Samsung, delivering rich colors and covering 120% of the DCI-P3 color spectrum. The display is capable of achieving brightness levels of up to 2,000 nits and even up to 6,000 nits at peak, thus providing an extremely sharp and clear visual experience. In addition, the display panel has a slight 2.5D curve on all 4 sides that makes it look more premium. The Realme GT7 Pro also comes with a responsive and accurate under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The Realme GT7 Pro comes with 3 powerful rear cameras. The main camera has a resolution of 50 megapixels with a Sony IMX906 sensor, 1.56-inch sensor size, 1.8 aperture, and OIS support for stability. The telephoto camera uses a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with a 1.95-inch sensor size, 2.65 aperture, and 3 times optical zoom capability. Finally, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera uses a Sony IMX355 sensor, providing a wider angle of view. Realme also features an underwater photography mode supported by IP68, 69 water and dust-resistant certification, allowing users to capture images underwater with high quality. In terms of performance, the Realme GT7 Pro is equipped with AI features on Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15, such as Motion Deblur and AI Snap Mode, to improve photo and image quality. Some sample camera photos, showcased by Chinese director Jia Zhangke, show sharp details even when using the movie filter. Realme's OIS stabilization feature and camera algorithms provide clear and sharp images with realistic colors, especially on long-distance objects and patterns. In addition, Realme also claims that the camera algorithm on the GT7 Pro has been optimized to produce accurate colors as seen in the sample photos that the company has shared. The Realme GT7 Pro comes with impressive specifications. At its heart is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises peak performance thanks to its second-generation Orion CPU with a clock speed of up to 4.32 GHz. This chipset is coupled with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 terabytes of UFS 4.0 internal storage, ensuring high speed and responsiveness. In addition, the phone features an advanced cooling system that is able to disperse heat effectively, keeping performance stable. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 8 Elite on the Realme GT7 Pro recorded impressive scores in benchmark tests. With 2 main Orion cores clocked at up to 4.32 GHz, the phone delivers up to 36% improvement in single-core performance over its predecessor. The Adreno 830 GPU also brings a major update with 3 processing units working at 1.1 GHz, supporting ray tracing for a realistic and graphically rich gaming experience. As for the operating system, Realme UI 6.0 is based on Android 15, with AI features such as motion deblur and AI snap mode supporting sharper photos, as well as game super resolution and gaming super frame to enhance the gaming experience. The Realme GT7 Pro also features an underwater photography mode, a super bright display, and a large battery that supports full-day use. As already mentioned, a large-capacity 6500 mAh battery is incorporated into this significant upgrade over the previous generation. This large battery capacity promises longer battery life for daily use. In addition, Realme also equips this device with 120-watt fast charging technology that allows charging from 0% to 50% in just 14 minutes. The Realme GT7 Pro is available in 3 colors: Mars Orange, Galaxy Gray, and White, China market only. In China, the price of the lowest variant, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage, starts at 3,599 yuan, or about 7.9 million. There are also variants with higher capacities, such as 16 GB RAM, 1 TB internal storage that sells for 4,799 yuan, or about 10.6 million. The Realme GT7 Pro is planned to launch globally at the end of November 2024, including in India. However, there is no certainty whether this phone will be available in Indonesia or not.